In this problem, I receive a string S consisting of vowels and consonants. I need to identify the vowels in the string and change their positions in the array. The string can contain both lowercase and uppercase vowels. I need to return my answer as a string containing the entire string with the vowels changed as required. If I was to describe the steps needed to solve this algorithm, I would first initialize my variables, then I would iterate through the string S until the left and right indices meet or exceed each other, and I would finally return my answer. So, let's take the steps one at a time. First, I need to initialize my variables. I declared three initial variables: vowels, which defines an unordered set of characters containing all vowels, both lowercase and uppercase; left, which is the left pointer placed at the beginning of the string; and right, which is the right pointer placed at the end of the string. Next, I need to iterate through the string until left and right meet or exceed each other. I'll use a while loop for this step. This while loop works as long as left is smaller than right, meaning as long as left and right haven't met or exceeded each other. If left is bigger or equal to right, that means that left has reached the end of the string and the loop stops. I use the while loop to verify if left is at the beginning of the string. This loop checks if there are vowels at the beginning of the string, and it repeats until it finds a vowel. This while loop keeps incrementing left until it finds a vowel. If left has reached the end of the string, meaning left equals s.size, the loop stops because there are no more characters in the string. Then I move right to the left on s until I find a vowel or I reach the beginning of the string. In my last if condition, I check if left is still smaller than right, in which case I found two vowels which need to be reversed. I use the swap function from the STL library to reverse the two vowels. Swap can be used to exchange values between two variables regardless of their type, as long as the data type allows the operation of assignment. That is, assigning a value to a variable of that type. After reversing the vowels, I need to increment left and decrement right to continue traversing the string. After all vowels have been reversed, the algorithm returns the modified string. To conclude, reverse vowels provides an efficient solution for reversing vowels in a string. Using an iterative approach and an efficient container for storing vowels, this function can handle strings of any size and provides a correct and efficient result. Now, I'll run the solution to make sure that everything works properly before submitting.